Hello and good morning dear students. So we are doing chapter equation of line, and in today's class we'll do question number 18. Let's start with question number 18, okay? But before we start, we'll learn about what do we mean by collinear points, or what do we understand by collinear points, okay? Right at the corner you can see I have written collinear points. Now collinear points are those points or 3 points lying on the same straight lines are called collinear points. Are you understanding my points? 3 points lying on the same straight line are called collinear points. For example, you can see A, B and C. These 3 points are lying on the same straight line. So therefore A, B, C are called what points? Collinear points. Now you can think about this. If A, B, C lies on the same straight line, if A, B and C lies on the same straight line, then slope of AB is always equal to slope of BC. Isn't it or not? Their slopes are equal because they are lying at the same straight line. They are lying on the same straight line. There is no inclination. Slope of AB has to be equal to slope of BC. Isn't it? So that's why given in the question ABC are collinear points. Find the value of A. So I have written out here slope of AB should be equal to slope of BC. We'll quickly use the formula of slope and calculate the value of A. Okay, so pause the video and note it down till here. Alright, so ABC are collinear. Slope of AB equals to slope of BC. Use the formula of slope minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus of minus 3, which is equals to 4 minus of minus 1 divided by A minus 2. So which is minus 3 by 5 is equals to 5 by A minus 2. Please cross multiply, solve it, and you'll get the value for A as minus 19 by 3. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright, so with this understanding of collinear points, you'll do question number 19 yourself. So far in this exercise we have covered inclination means theta with the positive x-axis. Slope means m is equals to tan theta. Slope can also be found using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. When two lines are parallel to each other, the slopes are equal, and when two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes is equals to minus 1. So far in the first exercise we learn about when a point lies on the equation, then the coordinates of the point must satisfy the equation, and to find the values of a, b, x, y. Alright. In second exercise we learn about equation of lines, and then we also learn about inclination, slope for 2 points. Okay, when two lines are parallel to each other, what happens is slopes are equal, perpendicular, the product of the slopes equals to minus 1. And we also learn about the collinear points. When do we call 3 points as collinear points? So that's it from this exercise. Now we move ahead with equation of lines. Alright, we move ahead with equations of line. So pause the video and note it down. Alright. Alright boys, let's proceed ahead with equation of lines. Okay, and these equations are very important for our ICE. Before that, we'll learn about what do we mean by x-intercept and y-intercept. Assume that there is x-axis and there is y-axis. There is a straight line AB. There is a straight line AB which cuts x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So O, A and B you can see in the figure. OA, the distance between A from the origin is called x-intercept, and the distance between B from the origin is called y-intercept. So x-intercept is from OA, y-intercept is OB. Okay. Now we will have to learn 3 types of equations of line. Okay. The first one is slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form equation of a straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c. Y, now please remember, okay, note it down, okay, y is equals to mx plus c is the equation of line. Remember that in the first class of equation of line I've told you all the equations of line all the equations of line will be your linear equations. So please check whether it's a linear equation in two variables or not. The power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. So hence it is a linear equation. But this is known as slope-intercept form. Why it is known as slope-intercept form is, you can see m is the slope and c is the intercept on the y-axis. C is the intercept on the y-axis. Am I clear? So y is equal to mx plus c. This is the first type of equation. Second type of equation is point slope form. Okay? Just remember the formula. When the question comes, then I'll explain you what do we mean by point slope form. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Okay? So please remember as number 1, point slope form. Number 1, slope intercept form, y is equals to mx plus c. Number 2, point slope form, y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Number 3, and number 2 and number 3 actually are similar, just the names are different. Point slope form, and this is 2 points form, the formula is same, where m, we know what is m is the slope, given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Alright, so please pause the video, note down all these 3 formulas and learn it by heart. Now we will start our exercise 14C. Pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move with exercise 14C. Let's start exercise 14C. The first question is find the equation of line. Now in this present exercise, we will be asked to find the equation of line. So please be clear with the question. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is 2 and slope is equals to 3. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is 2 and slope is 3. We have 3 equations. Which equation will I use? Let's think about this. Y-intercept is given and slope is given. So what will be my answer? Hence I have to use the first equation, which is slope-intercept form. Okay? Right now, equation of line is given by y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. Why am I using this equation? Because y-intercept is given to us. The value of c is given to us. M is also given to us. So therefore y is equals to, the answer will be 3x plus 2. Very simple question. Very simple answer. Y is equals to 3x plus 2. Pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move ahead with question number 2. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is minus 1 and inclination is equals to 45. So a clear-cut question is given to us. Y-intercept means the value for c. C equals to minus 1. Since theta is given to us, we know m is equals to tan theta will give us the slope. So m is equals to tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So hence m is equals to 1. So I know the y-intercept, I know the slope. So hence the equation of line is going to be y is equals to mx plus c. Put the value for m and c, then we are done. So y is equals to x minus 1 is the equation of line. So pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, let's move ahead with question number 3. In question number 3, we need to find the equation of straight line whose slope is minus 4 by 3 and which is passing through. Find the equation of straight line whose slope is minus 4 by 3 and that straight line is passing through the point minus 3 comma 4. So among these 3, which one will we use? Please think about this. Slope is given to us. So slope is given to us. Slope is given to us minus 4 by 3. x1, y1 is also given to us. x1, y1 is also given to us. So we have to use equation number 2, which is point slope form. So the equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Now what we'll do, we'll put the values for x1 as minus 3, y1 as 4 and m as minus 4 by 3, and then we'll solve and get the equation. Alright boys, so please pause the video, note it down. Alright, so after you put the values, you simplify it, you'll be getting y minus 4 is equals to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 3. Please cross multiply. Minus 12 gets cancelled out. Bring your 4x to the right left hand side. So your final equation of line will be 4x plus 3y is equals to 0. Okay, so this equation of line is having slope this and it is passing through this point. Am I clear with this, boys? So very simple and easy. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, so we'll keep this much for today. I don't want to keep my video very lengthy. One homework you'll do from this exercise, question number 4, and please do learn all these 3 formulas. Slope intercept form, y is equals to mx plus c, point slope form, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1, and 2 points form, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Okay? Complete all these sums, what we did today, and submit it to me by tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.